I bought this ricotta at the farmer's market this weekend. I'm gonna use it to make an appetizer tonight for book club. I've never made this before, I'm winging it. It's gonna be like a whipped honey ricotta, and I'm gonna put it on some toasted or grilled bread. I might throw some tomatoes and peaches on the side to kind of sprinkle on the top. Let's try it. I'm gonna use my baby food processor for this. Put about half of the ricotta in there. I'm gonna drizzle in some of this Trader Joe's hot honey, guessing. Ricotta was really thick, so I added a little bit more honey and just a drizzle of olive oil. Let's taste it. That's perfect. I'm gonna plate it up with some bread. I sliced up some sourdough bread. I'm gonna toast this, and I'm gonna chop up these donut peaches. I also got at the farmer's market an heirloom tomato. It's one tomato, and I've chopped up a couple of peaches. Let me show you something. I let the dog have a peach the other day. Sit. Now every time I cut up peaches, she's in here waiting for a piece. It's so good. Okay, I've got my peaches and tomatoes in here. I'm gonna add a little salt and pepper. Salt, pepper, just a teeny bit of olive oil. And then once I put them on top of the little toast things with the ricotta, I'm gonna drizzle it with a little balsamic glaze, and I'm gonna add some of this basil. Toasty toast toast. Making sure that I got tomato and peach on each one of these. Top them with some basil. Oh my God. They're creamy and salty and sweet because of the fruit and tangy because of the balsamic. This is like the perfect summer appetizer and super easy. I mean, I literally just threw it together on the fly. You gotta try it.